I was at an all-inclusive resort in the Dominican Republic and had enjoyed my time there. But it was time to check out and move on to another part of town and explore this incredible place further. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I am here in a all-inclusive hotel in the Dominican Republic, and today I actually have to check out of here, but I had a great time in this resort. And also there were some really nice birds here, as you could see. Flamingos and a bunch of really cool birds, and also a peacock. So today I haven't decided what I'm gonna do actually. All I know is that I have to check out of here at 12, and then I'll be taking an Uber probably further down the coast and going to a different hotel for a bit before I start my travels up along the coast here in the Dominican Republic. But first I'm gonna go and eat the breakfast buffet and jump into the swimming pool. The food at this resort had been really great, and I had been eating probably 4 or 5 times per day. For breakfast they had so many different things to choose from, and I was really satisfied with the selection. So I sat down here and got the food now, got a bit of everything, a bunch of bacon and also fried cheese. Can you believe it? They have fried cheese here. Fried cheese, this is the fried cheese. And also there's some kind of beef stew. Fried cheese. I got so much food for breakfast and also coffee and juice. At this resort I have met many people from Canada and the United States, since there are many direct flights to Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. I had to go and get my sunglasses. It was getting a bit bright, but now actually the sun is behind the clouds again. Unfortunately, I'm on the beach. Quite nice here on the beach, but I have to go and figure out where I'll be sleeping tonight. Gotta book another place. Cool off. Whew. Feels so good. I think today it's about 25 Celsius outside, 85 Fahrenheit or so. The other days it's been raining here, quite a bit actually. Oh, it feels so good here. Deep frying, perfect. We have to cool off a bit here one last time before we eat the buffet and then head out. Palm trees are also so nice here. Look at all the palm trees. Huh? Are you looking at me? Huh? We also have a pool bar here where you can order drinks, as many drinks as you want. Pool bar! Orange juice. I came up from the swimming pool and I just have to eat some buffet real quick here before I head out. But I've already showed this buffet here. Oh, look at how blue the water looks now. Wow, wow, wee, wow. I I enjoyed the buffet one last time, then went back to the room to pack my bag. So I just booked my next hotel and I will be leaving here in about 2 hours. And I'm gonna show you also in these coming videos a bit of what you can get for the money here in the Dominican Republic. What different hotels cost and how much you need to pay. Here where I stayed in this all-inclusive, I paid just $100, and that was including breakfast, lunch and dinner buffet and drinks. So that was quite good. The next hotel I'm going to, it's a bit of a cheaper hotel, but it's also right on the beach. Yeah, I just have to pack my bag here in a little bit and then I'll be heading out. What I liked the best here in this hotel, I think, was all the birds. All the birds and the little botanical garden on the way in that I showed in my previous video. They're so cool, all the birds here. The bag is packed, my friends. So time to go to the next hotel. Here we go, here we go. I was waiting for the shuttle bus to come by, but it was full of people because everybody needs to check out by now. I just checked out a lot of people at this resort, but now we have to find a taxi or Uber out of here. I had recently arrived to the island of the Dominican Republic, located in the middle part of the Caribbean and close by Colombia and Venezuela in the south, Mexico in the west and Florida in the northwest, just about a 2-hour flight away. My journey had started in Punta Cana, and I was going a bit further down the beach to explore a bit more of the coastline. I got off the Uber here and I went about 4 kilometers, 2.5 miles. It cost me 200 Dominican pesos, that's like $3.50. A really good price. With a taxi it would probably have cost like $15, I would guess, or so. So you can take the Uber for quite cheap here in the Dominican Republic. And here is also the next hotel, Green Coast Hotel. It's $35 per night here, so quite a bit cheaper, but the beach is also right over here on this side. But this hotel here is quite nice and modern also, so you can get a nice hotel for like $35 per night here, actually really close to the beach. I'm just waiting to get into the hotel. Hello! Nice hotel for this price. I think you can get some decent hotels here for not so much. $35. There's AC, nice king size bed, TV, a little balcony, and just a few minutes to the beach, walking to the beach. Toilet. I feel pretty good here. It's nice that I can travel around and do what I want. That's really nice, actually. I remember when I was wishing for that a few years ago, and now I can go wherever I want, whenever I want. And that's a great feeling. But sometimes that gets frustrating too when you don't have a home base anywhere and no stuff anywhere. But that's the reason I think why I'm not staying in one place, because I have nothing holding me back. There's nothing that ties me to one location. If I had a bunch of furniture like tables, couches, a bed and all this stuff that you have, then you can't really go. You have all your stuff there, but then you go back usually. But I don't need to go back. I'm on my way to the beach to check it out and see what this neighborhood is like. About a 5-minute walk, I think, to the beach. I've almost made it to the beach and I've seen a lot of construction sites. It seems like they're building more and more resorts, and I've also passed by a lot of resorts since I've been here. I have arrived to the next beach here. Not many people. A bit of seaweed. There was a truck here. He was or the truck was just leaving with a big mountain of seaweed. So I think they clean the beaches here a lot, but that's a problem every year, the seaweed. It comes in June and stays usually until November, until after the hurricane season. And then there's no seaweed again, like December until May, usually. I could tell from my drone shot that there was a lot of construction going on here. This place called Punta Cana is growing very quickly, and lots of apartment complexes, condos and hotels are being built. Seems like there are quite a lot of tourists here actually. The beach is full of people over here, and I'm gonna go for a quick walk. So on my way back I went into a real estate office here because I was a bit curious about how much it costs to rent an apartment here, and she told me a 2-bedroom apartment costs anywhere between $3,000 to like 1,000 or so, depending on which street it is from the beach. So the beach is over there, and then just like a short distance from the beach it gets cheaper and cheaper. And I'm almost back to the hotel here now. It's just like a 2-minute walk or so. It's quite hot. But here we have some really modern like apartment complexes also. And also here we have a little convenience store. I haven't seen actually that many here. Like in Mexico you have Oxxo, my favorite convenience store ever, Oxxo in Mexico. But here, let's see what they have in here. Sorry. I want to find some local food, and when I was in the resort all I could find was everything but local food. So that's my mission now, see if we can find some local food. Tengo mucho hambre.
Come on over. There is too many different dishes here.
Okay.
Mofongo, typical dishes, rice, bean,
yes,
and meat.
I would like traditional.
Yes, the traditional dishes.
I sat down here and I was speaking to a guy for a bit here from Dominican Republic. He told me about a dish called mofongo. I don't know actually exactly what it is, but it sounds pretty good. So I'm waiting to get that. I also got a water. The prices here was a little bit more in this part of Punta Cana. Still not bad at all. $8 for mofongo and $1 for the water. So yeah, but when I was a bit further in the other area the other days, I paid only a few dollars for like some kind of mix chicken and rice. Here we have the mofongo. It's beef, chicken, and what else? Let's see. Beef. It's beef. It's a bit salty. Salty, but lots of meat on it. Pork, chicken, and some spices also. Here, I think it's corn.
It's good, my friend.
Really good. Yeah, very good.
Thanks.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Very good. Thank you. I finished the food and got 2 bottles of water also. So good, the food, I can't believe it. Here's another resort, so we have all these resorts here, sometimes blocking the access to the beach a bit. But where I'm staying over here, there was a path over there. Alright, my friends, this is the end of the video. This video might not have been the greatest video, but not everything can be great. In my coming videos, however, I will be starting my travels up along the coast and stopping in some famous places, for example, Cabarete and Las Terrenas and Puerto Plata. So that should be exciting. But thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, please leave it a thumbs up, and also if you didn't like it, then give it a thumbs up anyways. Thanks again, and also if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please click the subscribe button below this video so we can reach 100,000 subscribers. That has been my goal for way too long now, but it needs to become a reality. Thanks again, and see you next time.